Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the outstanding traffic tickets in Jamaica. Now, in February of 2023, Jamaica switched over to a digital traffic system, meaning the tickets were written or issued from a digital device, and the tax office, all the records were updated almost immediately. But before Jamaica started to use that system, the traffic system that was in place was not functioning as efficiently as it should. And at one point, there were over 1 million unpaid traffic tickets in Jamaica. Some drivers had up to 100 outstanding traffic tickets. So the courts, because when the traffic tickets were not paid, you have 21 days to pay the traffic ticket. This is the old system. If you don't go to the tax office and pay it within the 21 days, then you have to go to court. So with over 1 million unpaid traffic tickets, the courts became bogged down. So they put in some additional measures, and over time they have started to work on the backlog of the traffic tickets. So we're going to give you an update on what's going on with those outstanding traffic tickets. Significant progress has been made to clear the backlog of traffic tickets in the corporate area traffic court. Chief Justice Honorable Brian Sykes made the disclosure. He informed that this was made possible through the work of the judges as well as the night court. With regard to the traffic tickets under the traffic court, in particular, they have seen improved performance largely because of the judges that we have there and the staff that's there, says Justice Sykes. Ahead of the implementation of the new traffic ticket management system and the new Road Traffic Act in February 2023, there was a rush on the traffic court as persons sought to pay off fines for outstanding traffic tickets. Among the measures to deal with the crowds and nearly 400,000 outstanding tickets was a sitting of night and Saturday courts. At the beginning of 2023, with the change in the law, significant numbers of persons who came to court to deal with old traffic tickets. Some persons had hundreds of tickets outstanding, and so what we have been doing is addressing all of those who are not current, Justice Sykes said. We expect to become current in 2024 with the courts, but the courts have been sitting at night. We have had other judges sitting at night, that is, judges assigned to courts other than the traffic court, coming in at night and on Saturdays, and the staff has been turning up to work. So I wish to use this opportunity to thank the judges and the staff that have enabled us to keep afloat with the significant increase in the volume of cases, he added. The Chief Justice also informed that while the courts have been dealing with the past cases, the police have become more efficient with the use of new devices to issue tickets. The electronic issuance of traffic tickets is a feature of the new traffic management system. Because of the new machines that they have, they are issuing more tickets, and we have been keeping current with those, Justice Sykes said. He noted that one of the problems that occurred in the past was the significant delay in issuing warrants for persons who did not pay at the tax office and did not attend the court. The Chief Justice said that a culture of impunity had developed where persons felt that when they received a ticket from the police, they could simply ignore it. So where we are now is that we are current with the issuing of warrants in respect of the current cases. So what that means is that for persons who did not pay at the tax office, do not attend the court, the warrants are being issued and will be issued, and you will be arrested and brought before the court, Justice Sykes explained. If you do not wish to come to court, then go to the tax office. Also, you have the option of contesting it, so you do not pay the tax office, but you must turn up at court on the date and time stated in the summons. Failing that, a warrant will be issued and you will be brought before the court, he added. The Chief Justice noted that while the country's traffic enforcement is becoming better, the court is still not where it should be because it needs to become digitized to keep pace with the digitization that has taken place with the police. But we hope to get there in time, Justice Sykes said. Alright, so that's an update on the traffic tickets. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.